Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington for Monday, April 24th, 2017. Here is the overview. We are expecting isolated to scattered showers through Tuesday, a threat of more numerous showers Tuesday night into Wednesday, which will include some snow over the mountain passes and breezy conditions, then back to more hit-and-miss showers Thursday into the weekend. Through this time frame, there may be some stray embedded thunderstorms, but the risk is low. For the remainder of today through Tuesday, the area will see a hit-and-miss shower threat. Low pressure tracking by the Washington-Oregon border through tonight will bring the best threat of showers this afternoon and early evening. Coverage will be highest over south and eastern Washington and Idaho. By Tuesday, that low loses influence, but an isolated shower threat will continue, largely around the mountains. There could be some patchy fog Tuesday morning in the sheltered northern valleys, but otherwise expect more sun Tuesday. As an aside, I cannot rule out some isolated embedded thunderstorms, but the risk is low. The potentially most significant impacts of the week will be from the system that passes Tuesday night and Wednesday. The first aspect of the system will be the showers. Overall, they are expected to be on the increase Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, with the threat continuing through Wednesday afternoon, before they start to shift toward the Idaho Panhandle Wednesday evening and decrease into the overnight. Snow levels will be relatively high to start, between 4,500 to 6,000 feet, but they begin to lower from the west Wednesday into Wednesday night, which is likely to bring some light accumulations over some passes. Whether they will be persistent enough to warrant any highlights is uncertain. None are anticipated at this time, but keep an eye out. Additionally, I cannot rule out some embedded thunderstorms, but the overall threat is not large. Here are the precipitation amounts forecast between Tuesday night and Wednesday night. The higher amounts, between a half inch to an inch, are focused across southeastern Washington and the Idaho Panhandle. And this is where there will be the primary concerns for rises on small streams and rivers, and given continued saturated soil conditions, it may lead to some landslides. The highest slide threat is indicated in the red outlined area, but there could still be some isolated issues towards steeper terrain towards Okanagan and Ferry counties. Rises are forecast on some main stem rivers into the end of the week, but none are forecast to flood. However, some smaller creeks or streams may be impacted, such as near Paradise Creek. No flooding products are in effect at this time, and they may not be needed, but stay tuned for any changes. You can monitor the rivers at the website provided in the slide. Winds will be another feature of the system. Expect some increase in speeds Tuesday overnight, but the brunt of the winds are expected Wednesday afternoon and evening. This image shows the peak wind gusts around Wednesday afternoon, with a focus across the Columbia Basin through the Spokane area and Palouse. Speeds of 15 to 25 miles per hour and gusts up to 40 miles per hour will be possible, with locally higher speeds possible around the Kittitas Valley. Some areas may near wind advisory values, so stay tuned for any highlights we may issue. Any unsecure objects can become airborne, and there could be some isolated power outages, and it may cause isolated issues for high-profile vehicles. After Wednesday, the area returns to a hit-and-miss shower pattern. Thursday and Friday, a lingering trough of low pressure will keep the threat of showers alive, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Snow levels lingering around 3,000 to 4,000 feet will mean the potential for light accumulations in the mountain passes. However, given the hit-and-miss variety of the showers, accumulations are not expected to be very impactful. The area may dry out completely on Saturday, aside from a stray shower threat near the mountains, before another system enters Sunday with the next shower threat. However, at this point, precipitation looks light. Here's an update to the region's snowpack. It indicates the mountains are all still running above normal. Finally, the 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for the inland Northwest suggests leaning towards more average temperatures and more average precipitation. As always, you can stay up to date with the latest forecasts at weather.gov/Spokane or on our social media sites. Thanks, and have a great week.